Hey y'all, it's Chastity, and today is Monday, currently in the real world. But when you see this, it's gonna be Friday because it's an unboxing. Oh, so so I got three things here. I got two boxes and a package envelope. In that bubble envelope, or whatever you call, well, it's not an envelope, but in the bubble package, if I can keep my life straight. In the bubble package is the item that I was telling y'all that I was expecting last Tuesday, I think, and it was running late, so I'm just getting it today, which is Monday. So I'm uh I'm gonna open the other two things because I don't really remember what's in those two boxes. And then I'll open that product that the package that has the thing that I am to do an Amazon review on. So I'm opening the two boxes first, and I'll save that review product for last. All right, so the first small. Oh, my cotton swabs. Got some cotton swabs, and y'all remember I got that Hornet spray, but from Walmart the other day, but I didn't like that it was foam, so I just ordered this Ortho spray. I hope it don't have a smell. I just don't like smelling stuff. I don't know. And then I forgot I'm always forgetting what I ordered. Sit it on the bed and open it. They come in this box like this. It's best before July 12th. Dang, July 12th? I don't know if I can do that. They tried to close it up, but it still broke anyway. So I might as well go ahead and tear the top. So here it is. Oh, y'all don't look. Y'all mind y'all business. So this is it. The Oatsome organic oat milk, and I got the original whole grain, gluten and dairy free, non-GMO, no sugar added. And I got 6 of these 1 liters. Cause I figured if I can't use all, somebody can help me drink it. Oat milk, water, gluten-free organic oats, organic sunflower oil, organic sunflower oil, sea salt, calcium carbonate, riboflavin, vitamin D, vitamin B12. Riboflavin is a B vitamin. I don't know if it's 6-1 or what, but it is a B vitamin. So yeah, I'm gonna try this in some coffee. I'm not really in the mood to be drinking coffee, but so I'm gonna sit this box right here and open the next thing. Okay, so that whole entire time I thought I was recording, I was not recording. And I hate that so much. I don't know what y'all saw, but in this package, was these net gaiters. They come in this, and they come in light gray, black, and this dark gray. And I opened this one because this is the one I'm gonna keep. I'm not gonna keep these because I don't really want all of them. So this how it is, and it's got the seam in the back, and it's got drawstring on it. And so you draw it, so you could draw it in so it'll be fit on your head. Oh, and it stretches too. I didn't see that first time. And so, and it comes with these two packs of these filters to go in. So this is the front, right? And there's a little pocket on the inside here, and you put the filter in it. I got it in better the first time because I didn't know you had it on wrinkle. And you slide the filter in there, and then so you put on, you cover your nose and mouth, and like I said, you draw this in. Also, they said you can use this for a hat. I feel like on the listing on Amazon, they say you could use it for a hat. So I guess you would draw it all the way in, and that'll be the end of the hat, or like the top, and you put this part around your head. So yeah, so what I was saying, I'm glad that the filter is like removable, so they could easily be washed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash this one, because this is the only one, like I said, I'm gonna keep, and these two I'll give away. So I'm gonna wash this one, and then I'll put it on and let y'all see what it looks like on me. All right, hey y'all, so it is the next night. It's after 9 o'clock, but I did wash this, and I hung it to dry in my room here in my room, and I washed this. I washed it last night, and I just hung it up in here on a clothes hanger on the shelf to dry. And so I did not put it on, like go outside in it today, because I forgot, for one, when I went outside to hang my clothes out, and then also it wasn't cool today. It was warm today, but it was windy. So I said, well, I can just put it on and see if it blocks the wind. I'm going to put it on. And then I said, but then I just didn't, and I just did other stuff. Oh, so when it got later on this evening, I had to go outside, and I didn't have any masks, except this is the only thing that I didn't put the filter in it, but I did put it on. I had to go outside and talk to somebody, and I put it on, and I tightened it, and it stayed up. It stayed on my face the whole time, and I was out there for like I was out there for like 30 minutes. It stayed on the whole time. I would say that it does keep you warm if you need it to be. I feel like it's not hot, but I feel like it will keep you warm. Why is this thing moving? Sorry about the utter disrespect of my ring light holder. Yeah, so like I said, I don't feel like right now, I don't feel like I'm hot. Like I feel like it's getting, like it's kind of, I don't feel like you, now in the summertime, of course you're gonna be hot, but like around this time where it's at the beginning stages of the transitioning to spring. So I think if you wanted to get this, it would be good. My favorite thing about it is that the filter is removable, and so you could take it out when you wash it. And I like the fabric. I like that it's stretchy and soft. I like that it's comfortable. It feels good. It feels really good right here. I like this fabric. But the inside feels good too. It feels like a sweater, kind of. Yeah, that actually feels good. I'm gonna put it close so y'all can see. I don't think I got it that close so y'all can see the fabric. That's the inside. And of course the front does have that OMDEX labeling right there. This section here is where the filter would be, and then that's the label. Now I do believe on the website it said You can use it as a hat. I think I talked about that yesterday. So let's see what they're talking about. Oh yeah, it does work as a hat. Oh snap! This fitting cute. Hold on. If y'all think I ain't about to wear this on my head as a hat, y'all crazy. So now I might keep that beige on. Y'all want to see the other two again? Where they at? In the middle. So I like it. It's good. I think it's nice fabric. And I think it does a job. When I went outside this evening or late this afternoon, it was kind of cool. My arms were cool. I had the same dress on. My arms were cool. My legs were a little cool, but where the gaiter was at was straight. So I think it keeps you warm. So this is the one color, kind of beige. I don't really want this one though, really too much. And then the black. I think I'm gonna just give these away. I don't really want them. I think I'm gonna give them away as intended. I'm gonna look at this black one again one more time. Not because I want to keep it, I just want to look at it. I just want to see it. It's very soft. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. But it's the same on the inside. Ooh. That black one is soft. So yeah. Oh, and here's the filters. It comes with 2 of these with 5 in it. It says PM 2.5. I don't really know what that means. But yeah. So I think they're really good. They're 19. I think they're like $19.98. Or something like that. It might be $99 on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description so that you can purchase them. When I bought these, when I got these, there was a coupon on it, so it was like $17.99. So yeah, so maybe it was $19.99 and $2 off. If y'all want to purchase it, as I said, I'm gonna leave the link in the description to purchase on Amazon. I thank y'all for watching this video. If you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, I'll leave those links in the description of this video, as well as the link to my Etsy shop. I appreciate y'all so much for watching. Please do good and be good. I'll see you on the World Wide Web.